Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the most badass BMW you can get your hands on, the M5. The new 5th series is still fresh off the press, but we've already got some intel on the upcoming M5 that's gonna be the king of new generation of 5s. This super sedan was spotted with minimal camo at the Nurburgring, where it was tearing up the green hell and showing off what it's made of. Rumors are flying around that this beast would have almost 700 horses under the hood, which shocked a lot of fans since it's less what the top of the line BMW XM Label Red can do. But don't worry, under the hood of the BMW M5 in the G90 body is exactly the same hybrid power plant with a new 4.4-liter V8 and a new advanced electric motor. Can you believe that almost 700 horses will be coming from just a gasoline engine? That's insane. And there is also an electric motor that gives you out at least an extra 100 horses. If you believe the insiders who spill the beans on this one, the new gen M5 is gonna be a real powerhouse that will blow your mind with its power and performance. So what do you get if you decide to buy this beast? Get ready for 800 horsepower and over 1000 Nm of torque. Of course, it's not as much as what would you get from the most powerful photo Mercedes, that's a hybrid GT63 AMG, but keep in mind that even in hybrid form, M5 is lighter, cause it's in another class. With such performance, the future owner of M5 can expect acceleration from 0 to 100 in just 2.9 seconds. And BMW won't stop at just one model. Those crafty Bavarians are gonna release a whole family of models over the time with even more impressive features. The new M5 will finally have a fully controlled chassis. BMW M5 owners have been waiting for this technology for a long time. The M5 has been the growth of technological perfection from German company, but it was deprived of such a simple option. However, the new M5 will get a fully controlled chassis and Mercedes fans will have fewer arguments to bully BMW boys. I agree that it's not even cool that the heavier Mercedes GT63 sets records at the Nurburgring, while BMW is still afraid to hold an official race with its M5 or M8 to show what the Bavarian engineering school is capable of. I think the new generation M5 will finally solve this problem and end the debate about who is faster at the Nurburgring, BMW or Mercedes, and once again prove to the whole world that BMW can create cars not only know how to drive straight, but also handle well on the winding roads. The premiere of the new M5 will be in July 2024 and the wagon will be presented in November of the same year. Just think about it, a wagon with more than 800 horsepower. We can finally write off Audi RS6 and the title of the fastest German wagon will go to the BMW. And considering Audi's dumb policy lately, I think BMW will hold on to this title for a long time. That's all guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you want more.